Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get a disposable email, something like a temporary email address without a phone number. If you want to sign into a sketchy website that requires you to put your email and you don't want to put your main email in the website, I'm going to show you how to get a burner email in this video. So head over to this website called tempmail.org. I'm going to put the link in the description. So they have an app for Apple and Android. It's available on Play Store and Apple Store. So if you want to use their service, it's actually free unless you opt to pay for premium, but it's just free out of the box. So right here you can see that it says disposable email, a free email service that allows to receive email at a temporary address that self-destructs in a certain time elapses. So if you receive any email using this email right here, this is the inbox. You're going to see it right here. You can use this email to open a Facebook account and do whatever you want. You can change the email address if you want. You can delete it, refresh it. So this is what I use to log into some of crappy newsletters. So if you don't want spam in your main email address, so I think this is the best option. So that's how you get a temporary email address for whatever you want to use it for. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.